If Telegram shows the error that the app was unable to play this video, don't worry, alright? This is usually a simple playback issue, and in today's video, I'll walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. Whether you're using Telegram on desktop or just trying to open a video from a chat, these methods can help you get the video playing again without wasting time. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick tech fixes, and let's get into it. First, the simplest fix is to restart the app. Close Telegram completely, not just the window. If you're on Windows, open Task Manager and make sure Telegram is fully ended in the background, then reopen it. A fresh restart can clear temporary playback glitches and give the app a clean start. Next, check your connection. Sometimes the video error has nothing to do with Telegram itself and everything to do with an unstable internet connection. Switch to another Wi-Fi network if you can. Disconnect and reconnect, or refresh your internet connection and try the video again. A weak or unstable connection can prevent Telegram from streaming the file properly, especially if the video is large or the signal keeps dropping. If that still doesn't fix it, the next thing to try is clearing Telegram's cache. On Telegram desktop, go to Settings, then Advanced, then Manage Local Storage and choose Clear All. This removes cached files that may be corrupted or preventing the video from loading correctly. Don't worry, clearing the cache usually won't delete your chats, but it can free up space and solve playback problems at the same time. After that, if the video still won't play inside Telegram, the best workaround is to download and play it externally. Right-click the video file and save it to your computer folder. Once it's downloaded, open it with a dedicated media player like VLC. VLC is especially useful because it supports a wide range of video formats and often plays files that Telegram struggles with. This is a great solution if the issue is related to the file format, partial loading, or Telegram's built-in player. So to quickly recap, restart Telegram, check your internet connection, clear the cache, and if needed, download the video and open it in VLC or another media player. These steps solve most Telegram playback errors in just a few minutes. If this video helped you fix the issue, please like the video and subscribe for more easy software tutorials and tech troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.